Hey there, I'm Aorus from Tech Buyers Guru, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all the components you should be buying to build yourself the ultimate gaming PC for Black Friday. Now the budget for this system is $3,500, but for Black Friday you're going to pay a lot less than that to get the ultimate gaming PC. It all starts with the Core i9-9900K processor from Intel. It's the ultimate gaming processor. Yes, there is a 9900KS, but I don't recommend it because it's selling at a huge premium right now, $150 to $200 more than the 9900K, and you can actually overclock that 9900K processor to the same speed. So for under $500, you're really getting the ultimate gaming CPU. Next up, of course, you need a Z390 motherboard, and right now Gigabyte is running some fantastic promotions on its Z390 boards. We've seen a Ultra board come down from about $250 to $200 just in the past week, and that's the board I'm recommending. In terms of video card, of course you're going for a 2080 Ti, but not just any 2080 Ti. You're going to want a liquid-cooled hybrid version from EVGA. In my testing of all sorts of video cards over many years, I've found that the hybrid cards definitely boost higher for longer. That's because they can keep their GPU temps under 60 degrees Celsius, which is the initial threshold for throttling of most NVIDIA GPUs. So yes, you can find air-cooled models for more or less that have higher boost clocks stated in the specs. That doesn't mean they're actually going to run faster because a liquid-cooled GPU actually will maintain that boost for much, much longer. So I go for the XC Hybrid from EVGA. Next up, memory. You're going to want 32 gigabytes and you want fast memory. Luckily, it's come down in price quite a bit. I always go with Corsair, and I recommend the DDR4 3600 RAM kit from Corsair in 4 8GB modules. Next up, storage. Of course you're going to go with a solid state drive, and of course you're going to go PCIe. Don't be distracted by all those SATA models out there. They're all obsolete. Don't buy any SATA solid state drive today, Black Friday 2019. Forget about them. Right now, the best deal in a 2 terabyte drive, which is the biggest drive you can find in the M.2 format, is the Sabrent Rocket. It's $250, and it may come down even more during this week for Black Friday. Next up, we go for the case. I love Thermaltake's cases, and the View 71 ARGB is just fantastic. This is a follow-up to the original View 71, adding ARGB controls to its RGB fans, meaning you can sync it to your motherboard and all your other components like your RAM and your cooler. It's a fantastic looking case. It's got hinged tempered glass side panels, glass all around. It's super awesome and easy to build in. I really like the View 71. In terms of the cooler, I go with Thermaltake again. Their ARGB 360mm cooler is the one I use in my own system. It's come down $20 in price for Black Friday week, and I think that makes it a great deal. It also has those ARGB effects and be synced up with that Thermaltake case and then linked to your motherboard to have all of those ARGB effects working together in a unified system. It really looks great. Next up, power supply. At this price point, I go platinum rated. And right now, Corsair is running some pretty good promotions on its 1000 watt platinum rated PSUs, and that's what I suggest for this system. No, the system won't actually pull 1000 watts. It'll probably pull closer to 600 to 700 watts under load, but with a little bit of headroom, that PSU will run cooler and quieter and more efficiently. That's why I go for 1000 watts in this system. By the way, if you do want to have the option to upgrade to SLI, that means 2 GPUs running together, you're going to need 1200 watts. So you can upgrade to Corsair's 1200 watt platinum rated unit if you'd like. Finally, we go with the operating system. That's Windows 10. That's simple. And frankly, you know what? I go with the USB version all the time because it's so easy to use. That USB version installs in just a few minutes. Don't buy the disk-based versions. Don't buy the downloaded versions. Just get the USB version. It's super easy to use. If you have any questions about my suggestions, please do post them all below. I've built these systems. I know how they run. I really like these components, and at $3,500, this is a good deal. But for Black Friday, I'm seeing prices around $3,200 for this system. So you're getting a fantastic deal. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.